Welcome to our channel. Today. We'll guide you through fixing a negative balance in your Robinhood account quickly and efficiently. Welcome to our channel. Today. We'll guide you through fixing a negative balance in your Robinhood account quickly and efficiently. Having a negative balance on Robinhood can be alarming, but with the right approach, you can resolve it without stress. The first step is to fully understand what caused the negative balance. It often occurs due to unsettled trades or margin fees. If you are using margin services, review your recent transactions and notifications from Robinhood carefully to identify the exact reason. Once you understand the cause, it is time to take action. The fastest way to fix a negative balance is to deposit funds into your account. You can do this by linking your bank account to Robinhood and transferring enough money to cover the negative balance, plus any potential fees. Make sure to double-check the amount you need to deposit so the balance clears completely. If you are unable deposit funds, immediately contact Robinhood customer support for assistance. They can provide options or extensions depending on your situation. Another important tip is to avoid making new trades or withdrawing funds while your balance is negative. Doing so can lead to further restrictions or penalties on your account. As your negative balance clears, keep monitoring your account daily. Use Robinhood's app notifications and alerts to stay informed about your balance status and any upcoming fees or deadlines. Additionally, consider setting up automatic transfers from your bank to Robinhood to prevent future negative balances, particularly if you trade regularly or use margin. If your negative balance was caused by margin trading, review your margin activities carefully and consider adjusting your trading strategy to avoid repeats. Remember, knowledge is power, so keep yourself educated about trading terms and Robinhood policies. This proactive mindset can save you stress and money in the long run. In summary, fixing a negative balance requires prompt action, careful fund management, and good communication with Robinhood's support. If you follow these steps, you will quickly restore your account to good standing and continue trading with confidence. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more financial tips and updates that help you navigate investing safely.